Adam.
There's a llama, big llama.
That one is nice. The yellow one. Oh my god. It's so good.
And he's got out of breath running after a little kid. Yeah, true. He's a police officer. He's chased. You could just caught his next tackle straight. And then he was so aggressive with it when he did catch it. Also, it was the least good, I think. When I had his